And as the governor continues to allow businesses to reopen and expand activities, Austin City Council members want him to consider more than case numbers and hospitalizations. 4 members sent a letter this morning asking him to expand Medicaid, drop lawsuits against paid sick leave mandates, dip into the state's rainy day fund to support working class families, nullify Senate Bill 4, that's the so-called Show Me Your Papers law, and support local health orders. Many of these are driven by recent data showing Latino communities in the city are being disproportionately affected by the pandemic. KXAN politics reporter John Engel breaks down Austin's ongoing tug of war with the state over public health orders.
Austin's still looking for flexibility to run its own local pandemic response.
It's interesting because local control used to be a very, frankly, Republican good thing, but it's not good if we're passing laws that they don't agree with.
One of those laws, mandatory paid sick leave. Lawsuits have blocked it throughout Texas, saying the requirement unfairly burdens small businesses.
In addition to being the right thing to do, it's also should be a public health mandate.
Councilmember Kathy Tovo says the city is still looking for ways to encourage sick workers to stay home without worrying about losing their paychecks. Support from the Rainy Day Fund might help, but Councilmember Delia Garza sees another potential roadblock: fear.
When we enact laws like SB 4, the Show Me Your Papers law that was led by our governor, that hurts our immigrant community because we're hearing stories of people afraid to go get tested and afraid to access health care that is available to them because they're afraid of being possibly separated from their families if they do so.
A state law change seems unlikely at a time when the state attorney general calls local orders Orwellian, suggesting they're destructive to a free and open society. Still, city leaders are calling on the governor to let Austin do it our way.
But we are so limited by the authority given to us by the state, and so we are asking the state for help.
John Engel, KXAN News.
City of Austin still hasn't responded to the Texas Attorney General's letter asking leaders to change local public health orders. He called them confusing and illegal.